Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anjali. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to show you this beautiful glittery and something like pink and red makeup and this makeup is especially for Valentine. And guys, if you want me to do a separate tutorial for this hairstyle, then please do let me know in my comment section. So now let's get started with my video. So friends, to moisturize my skin, I'm using this beauty oil to give dewy and soft look on my skin. And I really love this oil because I have a really dry skin and ये मेरी skin को बहुत ही soft बना देता है and मेरा makeup भी बहुत long lasting रहता है इससे. And for my lips guys, I'm using my Ted Baker lip balm. As you can see, my lips are a little bit dry, so that's why I'm using this. For getting a picture perfect look, I'm going to use this tape method and I like to start with my eye makeup first. So that's why I'm going to prime my eyes with my LA Pro Girl concealer in shade Creamy Beige. Now I am blending my concealer with my fingers and after that I am going to use my beauty blender to set all my concealer on my eyes. After this I'm going to top it off with my compact powder and this is from Collection and see guys, this is really cute and so affordable. For my eyebrows I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pro in shade Ash Brown and I'm going to use this brush which is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills and I am picking a very small stroke at a time and fill my eyebrows like this. After this, to set my eyebrows, I'm using this spoolie brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Friends, if you want me to do a separate tutorial for eyebrows, then do let me know in my comment section. I'll make a separate video for this. For my eye makeup, I'm using this blending brush from Real Technique and choose this shade from Makeup Revolution Sophie X palette. I'm applying this shade on my crease area by back and forward motion. After this I choose this color for my second transition color and I am collecting all the products on my outer V and then blending it really well. And friends, if you want to learn eye makeup step by step, then you can check out my eye makeup tutorial and uska link मैं कहीं ऊपर डाल दूंगी. Now I'm using this cute and pink shade from Kiko Milano to add depth in my eyes and I'm applying this shade under my crease area and blending it really well. एंड फ्रेंड्स मैं ये सेम शेड अपनी आईलिड्स पर भी लगाऊंगी बिकॉज मुझे थोड़ा सा पिंक एंड रेड टोन देना है अपनी आईज को. Now I'm applying this dark red color on my eyelids and this is from Technique. As you can see guys, this makeup look is especially for Valentine, so that's why I am using this red color on my eyelids. After this I'm going to blend each and everything because I don't want any harsh lines, so that's why I'm blending each and everything very well. And for getting shimmery and glittery look, I am choosing this color on my eyeballs. And I'm applying this shade with my fingers because personally I am so comfortable with my fingers, but you can use brush also. And again I am going to blend each and everything really well because I don't want any harsh line of any color. And now I'm applying my highlighter on my brow bone area and this is the same shade which I have applied on my eyelids. For my eyeliner I'm using my all-time favorite Maybelline gel liner and ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I don't know why because ये काफ़ी टाइम तक smudge नहीं होता. So I highly recommend you guys please buy this eyeliner. आपको बिल्कुल भी regret नहीं होगा इसको लेने के बाद. And I'm using my Real Technique liner brush and it is one of my favorite brush guys. As you can see ये कितने precise है और इतनी thin line मैं इतना easily draw कर पा रही हूँ, so it's really good. Now I'm applying my mascara, and this is from Maybelline Colossal Go Extreme Mascara. And after this I'm going to apply my false lashes. And now it's time to remove my tape, and after this I'm going to apply my orange color corrector. Actually it's a concealer from LA Pro Girl. This is a LA Pro Girl orange concealer, but I am using this as my color corrector to hide my dark spots. And I'm going to blend it really well with my beauty blender. After this I am going to apply my concealer, and this is also from LA Girl Pro and it's in shade Creamy Beige, and I am applying this in a triangular shape. And you know why? Because मैंने अपनी काफ़ी सारी वीडियोस में बताया है, so you can check out my previous video for this. And I'm going to apply some on bridge of my nose, some on my cupid bow, some on my chin, and some on my forehead. And after this I'm going to blend each and everything with my beauty blender. And friends, you can use your concealer brush also for under your eyes area. As you can see, it gives you a very precise finish, that's why. So I'm using this brush right now. Now I'm again using my beauty blender to blend each and everything. And my forehead, I'm going to use my foundation brush, especially for my eyebrows area, because I want to pop out my eyebrows more, that's why. For my foundation, I'm going to use this Kiko Milano Unlimited Foundation, and this is my new love right now. For this, I'm going to use this stippling brush because it gives me an airbrush effect. And just look at the finish of this foundation, guys. It gives you full coverage, and your skin will look so flawless and dewy. And result आपके सामने है. Just see the finish of this foundation. That's why I love it, and this is my new love. And to set my foundation, I'm going to use my beauty blender, and I am using this in a patting motion, as you can see, guys. After this, I'm going to top it off with my compact powder so that my foundation is not creasing throughout the day. For contouring, I'm going to use my Collection contour stick. You can use any contour stick, guys. And I'm going to apply a line from top of my ear to hollow of my cheeks, and then some perimeter of my forehead. After this, some side of my nose. And if you want to make your nose sharp and pointed, then your lines should be near and should be parallel. And then I'm applying some on my chin, some on my cupid bow, and some on my jawlines because I want to pop out my jawlines, that's why. And then after this, I am going to blend each and everything. And friends, today I want to lift up my cheeks, so that's why I am extending this line like this, because I want आज मेरे cheeks थोड़े से cute गोलू गोलू लगे, that's why. For highlighter, I am using this No. 7 highlighter, and I'm applying some highlighter on bridge of my nose and some on tip of my nose. And then I'm using this fan brush for highest point of my cheeks. And then some on my cupid bows, some on my chin. For my blush, I'm using this Bourjois blush, and guys, just look at my technique. If you are a beginner, then try this technique. It really works, and ये बहुत ही precise तरीके से लगता है अगर आप ऐसे लगाएंगे तो. Now I am applying that same eyeshadow which I have applied on my crease area, that is pink in color, and another one is dark pink in color, and I'm applying on my lower lash line. And for my inner corner, I am applying that same shadow which I have applied on my eyelids. For my waterline, I'm using this MUA White Colossal Kajal. because I want to look my eyes a little bit bigger. After this, I am applying that same mascara on my lower lashes. For my lips, I'm using this MUA Luxe Matte Velvet Lipstick. And guys, I just love this shade. बहुत ही सॉफ्ट एंड बहुत ही लाइट सा शेड है बट बहुत ही सुंदर है. And to set my makeup, I'm using this fixing spray, and this is from MUA also. So friend, this is my final look. I hope you really enjoyed my video and I am totally satisfied with my look. I hope आपको भी अच्छा लगा होगा. So friends, if you like my video then please give a thumbs up, and if you have any question then comment below on my comment section. If you haven't subscribed my channel then please guys do subscribe my channel and share this video with all your friends and family. And most important thing, happy Valentine's Day. अब मिलते हैं मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय.